It's been a few weeks and here is how far I've gotten. I got some flooring down. I'm in the process of painting everything white. I tore out the fridge from here as well. Okay, so here we are. Many months later, I have gotten all the painting done. I have completed the flooring. My seats have been all recovered with jeans, which are very funny because I just love that bum cushion. I've redone the post that the table is held up from. We got the electricity working in here. Done a little bit of decorating. And I've set up the entire back as a bed because that will be the most useful way to leave it set up. Got a TV back here now, and I've got some reading materials. Some little twinkle lights there. I put in some new curtain rods that go all the way around, so these curtains can be adjusted to cover the windows or not. And here we see the kitchen from this angle. It's been all repainted and wallpapered, and the fridge was removed and I put a curtain in there instead. There's a little mini fridge and a coffee maker in there.